Hey guys, so recently I bought an LG TV and I noticed that the remote had this symbol over here, and that made me really happy because it means that it has an NFC chip inside of it. And basically, with NFC chips, you have unlimited abilities that you could do running shortcuts. And basically, what an NFC chip is, for those of you that don't know, it's a chip that basically costs about 26 cents, 24 cents or each, and you could run shortcuts to basically run any automation. And today I'm gonna show you what I'm doing with this NFC chip inside of this remote. I'm basically just streaming anything that I'm playing on my phone straight to my TV, and I'm gonna go on step by step on showing you how to do that. And again, these are basically stickers. You could stick them anywhere in your house that you want, and I think it's really cool to do different things with this, not just this. Alright, so the first thing we gotta do is open the Shortcuts app, then we click on the plus button here on the top right hand side, and then we click on Add Action. Click on Search, and then look up Playback, and this will allow us to change the playback destination. Click on that as well there, and then right here where it says iPhone, click on iPhone, and then change your playback destination to whatever you want to do it. For me, it's going to be my living room TV, so I'll go ahead and click on that, and after that we're just going to go ahead and click on done. And then our next step is to go ahead and click down here on automation and click on the plus button. Now we're going to go ahead and search NFC and click on that, and from here we're going to click on the scan, and we'll go ahead and scan the remote or whatever NFC chip you have, and just give it a name. I'm gonna go ahead and name it living room TV. Press OK, and then over here where it says run automatically, that's what you want. You don't want it to run to ask you anytime that to run it or not or whatever. You just want it to run it. Click next. Now it's gonna ask you what you want it to do whenever you scan the NFC chip. We're gonna go ahead and look up playback and click on that shortcut that you made earlier. So go ahead and click on that, and then that's all. And now we're all set to go. Now whenever you go to your remote or any NFC chip that you put anywhere, maybe on your couch somewhere hidden, and you click on it or press your phone to it, it's gonna go ahead and stream anything you're watching on your phone directly to your TV. It doesn't matter if it's a third-party app, if it's YouTube, if it's I haven't tried it with TikTok, but I'm guessing with TikTok it will still work as well. I know that online videos, Netflix, Hulu, Disney, or even third-party, like I said, videos will work on this. So it's a pretty cool thing, like that you don't have to go through all the settings to be able to go ahead and stream. You just tap on that on your phone, and that's it, you're ready to go. It'll show anything that you're watching on your phone onto the TV. And again, with these NFC chips, the options are limitless. If you want me to make another video on any other automation, like turning on smart lights, setting a scene or anything like that with an NFC chip, let me know. I'll go ahead and buy some and do a video for that. I'm gonna go ahead and link the remote and the TV and also the NFC chips down below in the description. If you want to go ahead and at least look at it, you could go ahead and do that, and you don't have to buy anything, obviously. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. I really appreciate it. Until next time, see ya.